Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to deploy this AI-powered automation script in the Ethereum ecosystem. No coding skills required, and simple to follow. Let's first briefly cover how this type of automation works. The system identifies pending blockchain actions, inserts its own operations slightly earlier by adjusting network priority, then follows up with a secondary action in the same block. This allows it to demonstrate advanced block-level execution timing using smart contract logic. If your ETH is currently held on platforms like OKX, Binance, Coinbase, or any other, begin by transferring it to your MetaMask wallet. In the withdrawal area, select ETH, choose the Ethereum mainnet network. Enter your MetaMask address, confirm the transaction, and wait for the ETH to appear in your wallet. Once it's there, you're ready to begin. Next, open Remix IDE and create a new file named bot.sol inside the contract section. Paste the latest open source template from the link in this video's description. At the top of the file, you'll see helpful comments suggesting which Solidity version to use and an appropriate test amount. Review that info to make the right selection and decide how much ETH you'd like to commit to this simulation. Switch over to the Solidity compiler tab, choose the specified version, for example, 0.8.4. and click Compile. If everything compiles without errors, go to Deploy and Run Transactions, choose Injected Provider to link MetaMask, and press Deploy. MetaMask will ask for gas fee confirmation. These may vary, so if network costs are high, you can wait or launch now to begin processing sooner. After deployment, copy your contract's address and verify it on Etherscan to make sure everything's correct. Now fund the contract by pasting that address into MetaMask and sending a minimum of 0.4 ETH for testing. If you're planning a larger run, you can transfer 6, 15, 25, or even 60 ETH. Higher values allow for broader execution potential. Once sent, confirm that the transaction appears on Etherscan. With the contract now funded, return to Remix and click the Start or Start Native button. Confirm the request in MetaMask. This will activate the system, which begins analyzing pending activity and performing a program sequence based on network timing and priority logic. Let the contract operate and monitor it via Etherscan over the next few hours, or ideally a full 24-hour cycle. In more active environments, you may observe balance changes. With larger amounts, the effect is more pronounced, though keep in mind that network fees also scale. Outcomes may vary, so proceed with awareness. When you're ready to finalize, return to Remix click Withdraw, and confirm through MetaMask. This will return the remaining balance from the contract back to your wallet. If you plan to move assets back to an exchange, copy the appropriate wallet address, paste it into MetaMask, and send using Ethereum mainnet. Always confirm the transaction reaches its destination. Be sure to use trusted open source code only. Stay mindful of gas fees. Higher gas improves execution priority but costs more. And never allocate more ETH than you're comfortable working with. The 0.4 ETH minimum allows for testing, while 6 to 60 ETH gives you more operational capacity if you're ready. Let the contract run at least 24 hours before making adjustments to your allocation or network fee preferences. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and let us know in the comments or on Telegram which amount you used and how your test went. Are you starting with 0.4 ETH or going bigger? Share your approach.